Good day, Thokozani emakhosini lesedikhanya qamaku usahleli nogogo isalukazi intombi endala ugogo Patricia. So today sizokhuluma ngokuthi usikhulisa kanjani isithunywa sakho because yes, I always say ukuthi yes, isithunywa ingelosi, right? Kodwa it does not take away from idlozi elithumilweyo elidila ngomkhuleko elidila ngoprofeti. Because we know ukuthi la eMzansi in South Africa there was once upon a time la ubungoma noma traditional healing was seen as a taboo thing. So obviously ububoshwa if you were found to practice African spirituality. So they had ukuthi bavule amasonto and they had to now practice that emasontweni. So that's how amabandla womoya came about. Now Isithunywa, guys, it deals with cleanliness, right? One might say, Gogo, isithunywa sami asikhulumi, asikho isithunywa esingakhulumi. Isithunywa, it's your intuition, it's your thoughts. Kukhona ithunywa esikhuluma with what you think, kukhona ithunywa esikhuluma with what's in your heart, what you feel. Khona ithunywa esikhuluma ngengcondo, like it's a whole lot of things. Khona esikhuluma ngokuthi literally you seeing pictures. You know, and the more you do what your sithunywa wants, it's the more it sees that you are connecting with it, it's the more it sees that you understand it, then it will grow more, right? For instance, there will be once upon a time where uyaphuma endlini and something is like, no, tshela lo muntu lo angaphumi lo uthi uyaphuma, right? Then uthula decide ungamtsheli ukuthi angaphumi aphume athole accident, then it's on you because now isithunywa sakho was giving you a message and you never passed the message. Manje usunecala. So it's better for as long as you don't know, dlulisa message. You understand? Just say it. Don't say isithunywa sithi no, just say hey, yazi ngine feeling it's ungayi man. Then magaya kube uyoyayo maga ngayi kube uyongayi, because at the end of the day your duty, your work is to pass a message. A lot of you will like probably have dreams uphuphe ngomuntu, then decide wena ukuthi okay, thank you ngiphuphile, but unfortunately lelo iphupho bekufanele undlulise uthi esibanibani uright ngikuphuphile mamela khuleka, you know, khuleka ngikunento engiyibonayo enje nanje. By so doing isithunywa sakho siyakhuluma. You know, a lot of people might ask themselves ukuthi why abantu masebaphuzile baprofita kangaka. It's because umuntu makaphuzile ukhuluma kuphela, and at that time idlozi nesithunywa sifuna ukusebenza, sifuna ukukhuluma, sifuna ukukhuluma indaba. So isithunywa doesn't want somebody osabayo. Isithunywa doesn't want somebody who bottles up. It wants somebody who opens their mouth, because the minute you open your mouth, the minute imilayeza iza. That's why even nanoma uconsult umuntu uzothi uhlala phansi bese ukuthi kuye hayi cha ngibona ibhayi elinjena nje uyalazi, bese lo muntu athi yebo noma athi cha. The minute athi cha, there's another message that will follow. The minute athi yebo, the other message will follow ukuthi mhlambe why ungakalitholi, because ngiyabona la ukuthi awukakalithengi, noma if ulithengile no ngiyabona ukuthi ulitholile kodwa uliphakamise ngendlela wrong ngoba wena walinikelela isalukazi kanti le bhayi liza nekhehla. You understand? Noma ngiyabona ukuthi no wena le bhayi uyaligcoka kanti the time ulibona wena ulibeke emsamo, so ibhayi lasemsamo. You know, then conversations will come, then messages will come, then they will bring messages till they see which okay, you understand how they speak to you, you understand how they speak to you, you understand the messages, and by so doing then they will then keep on, you know, bakhulise. But I think a lot of you guys niyazibambezela, not everybody is fortunate enough ukuthi babone imibono, bazwe ama voice genzakale in, you know, it's baby steps unfortunately, and it does not happen overnight, but it happens gradually. So iba umuntu okhulumayo, iba umuntu ovula isifuba, because ezinye ithunywa zihlala enhlizweni. So if umuntu onamaqhubu how would you feel? Uzofila kanjani? How would you listen to isithunywa sakho? If umuntu o-depressed, ocabanga kakhulu, who's always thinking bad, who's always wishing people bad, ingqondo yakho izofunctiona kanjani that you may be able to listen to isithunywa sakho. So now you have to clear your thoughts, you have to clear your hearts, you have to clear yonke into around you in your surrounding, then uzobona konke kuzolunga. But anyway, ngiyabonga ukuthi nibukele i-channel yami eMakhosini Lesedi Khanya Cama Kundawo.